Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 37 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page almost every day where you can ask him questions. We look at those questions, and there's a lot of questions. We take the funny, the weird, and the lies, and dispel the myths. On today's episode, we are talking about streaming deck cams, movies in the Limelight Lounge, Carnival cookbooks, and vacation insurance if you sail out of New York. And last but not least, self-service laundry on the new ships. Question one, I love myself because we used to look at these all the time. And they're asking, what are the chances Carnival will reinstate the streaming of their deck cams, their cameras? This person used to enjoy watching them all the time, much like myself, especially when his wife ran away with her friends and left him behind and they went on a cruise. He didn't. John said he knows they are looking at this, but there are some operational challenges to get them back online. I'd imagine maybe privacy stuff. I don't know. But he totally agrees it would be wonderful if they can get these back online. Question two. This person read that the Elation showed movies in the Limelight Lounge. A, is this true? B, what are they? John said A, yes. It is true. They do actually show movies in the Limelight Lounge, but he doesn't have a specific list. They basically take the movies that are on the big screens and they will pick a select few and put them in the Limelight Lounge. So there's no direct list, but yeah, you can actually go to the Limelight Lounge and watch movies on the Elation. Pretty cool. It'd be much cooler, actually, instead of sitting on deck sometime in the Caribbean, sweating, watching Pirates of the Caribbean, hoping they don't come and invade your ship. Anyway. This person misses cruising and the experience of eating and drinking on the cruise. They were wondering if Carnival has ever thought about creating a cookbook and selling said cookbook with drinks. So you get popular Carnival dishes, popular Carnival drinks. John said they used to have one and it was very popular. He's not sure why they haven't done this in a long time, but he is definitely going to bring this to the Beards or put it in his report. Or both. Put it in his report and bring it to the Beards. So it would be pretty cool. We actually have a couple Carnival drink books ourselves, and yeah, we do make them at the house. If you like what you're seeing, you love Carnival cruise content or cruise content in general, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Question 4. Why isn't vacation insurance available to residents of New York? John said, it's because you're from New York. No, he didn't. He said there are some kind of legal concerns with this. He doesn't know the specifics. But, of course, there are plenty of companies out there, we've used them ourselves, even though we're in Florida, that will provide you with third-party insurance. So Carnival's cruise insurance themselves won't do it, but you can absolutely get third-party cruise insurance. We definitely recommend it. We just recently had an issue where I couldn't go on a cruise due to an issue. And the insurance is very helpful, so definitely do it. They were curious why the decision was made to take self-service laundry off the new Excel class ships. Great question. His answer, John said, simply for space. So on the smaller boats, they don't have as many people. On the Excel class, they have over 6,000 guests. Can you imagine how many laundry rooms you would need for them to do this? It's just silly. So yeah, they're not doing it due to space. They always have bags in there. You can put it in your room steward, room attendant, room, whatever the hell you call them these days, will take that, do the laundry, and bring it back to you. So you can't do it yourself, but the laundry service is still available. So that was it for episode 37. Thanks for watching. Please take care.